My inbox used to be chaos. Every morning, I'd open my laptop to hundreds of unread messages, random newsletters, receipts, spam, and maybe 5 emails that actually mattered. I tried everything: filters, color labels, switching to new apps, and nothing stuck. Then I found SaneBox, an AI tool that promised to clean up my inbox without forcing me to change how I use email. I didn't think much of it at first, but after using it for a few weeks, I realized it's one of those tools that quietly makes your inbox feel manageable again. The problem with email: if you're like me, your inbox is full of things you never meant to sign up for. Email itself isn't the problem. It's how much time it steals from your day. Sorting, deleting, and following up can easily burn 3 or 4 hours a week. That's the part SaneBox claims to fix. It uses AI to figure out what's actually important to you and then moves everything else out of sight so you can focus on work that matters. What SaneBox actually is. SaneBox isn't another new email app. There's nothing to download or learn. You simply connect it to your existing email: Gmail, Outlook, iCloud, Microsoft 365, Fastmail, whatever you already use, and it starts working in the background. It reads only basic data like the sender, subject line, and date, not your messages, and uses that information to organize your inbox automatically. You'll notice new folders appear like Sane Later, Sane News, and Sane Black Hole, which is where the AI sends emails that don't deserve your attention. Everything happens inside your normal inbox. No separate dashboard required unless you want to finer control. How it works in real life. When I first connected SaneBox, it quietly started learning from my behavior. If I opened emails from my accountant right away, it kept those in my inbox. If I ignored random marketing blasts, they went straight to Sane Later. Newsletters I rarely read moved into Sane News, and anything I dragged into Sane Black Hole gets moved to the trash after 7 days and never shows up again. Training it is as simple as dragging an email into a folder once. SaneBox remembers that rule for next time. The more you do it, the smarter it gets, until it feels like you've trained a personal assistant who knows exactly what matters to you. And because these are just folders, you can train and organize directly from any device, even the built-in mail app on your iPhone or iPad. My favorite features. The feature that impressed me first was the daily digests. Every morning, I get one clean summary showing everything that SaneBox filtered out: who went to Sane Later, Sane News, or Black Hole. I can review it in seconds, move anything back to my inbox if needed, and even schedule when I want the digest to arrive, say every weekday at 7 a.m. You can also CC an assistant to receive it if you want someone else to help you manage mail. The second thing I love is Snooze. You can drag any message into folders like Sane Tomorrow, Sane Next Week, or Sane Next Month. Those emails disappear now and come back later automatically. It works on every device, even inside the Apple Mail or Gmail app, since it's folder-based, not app-based. Then there are reminders. You can set one by sending or CCing a natural language address like tomorrow@sanebox.com or 2 days at sanebox.com. If the recipient doesn't reply, SaneBox sends you a gentle reminder at the time you set. The related feature, Send No Replies, stores your sent emails that haven't received a response yet. If you added a reminder address when you send the message, SaneBox will notify you. If not, you can check the Sane No Replies folder for anything overdue, a lifesaver for client work or follow-ups. Inside the web dashboard, there's more power if you want it. Toggle features on and off, create custom folders for specific projects, undo past training mistakes, and route certain senders into your own folders instead of just the sane ones. You can even use the Deep Clean tool if your inbox already looks hopeless. It scans your entire account, helps you bulk delete old clutter, and clear space fast. Another small but nice option is Do Not Disturb. It lets you pause new mail for a few hours or a few days while you focus or travel, with exceptions for VIP contacts who can still reach you. If you're in deep work mode, it's a great way to keep your brain clear. Security and privacy. I was skeptical at first about letting an AI scan my inbox, but SaneBox's privacy approach is solid. It's Google verified, externally audited by Leviathan Security Group, and continuously tested by HackerOne for vulnerabilities. Most importantly, SaneBox never reads your messages. It only scans metadata, sender, subject, and date, and never stores full emails or attachments. Everything is encrypted, and you can revoke its access anytime. It's built to be invisible, private, and safe. Plans and pricing. SaneBox keeps things simple with 3 main plans. It gives you their best value overall. Snack at $4.13 per month if billed bi-yearly, includes 1 email account, 2 SaneBox features, and email chat support. Lunch, their most popular plan, costs $7.04 per month, again if billed bi-yearly, and includes 2 email accounts, 6 SaneBox features, and email and chat support. Dinner, for power users, is at $20.79 per month, billed bi-yearly, with up to 4 email accounts, all SaneBox features, and full email, chat, and phone support. All plans come with a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, and there is a 25% discount for educators, nonprofits, and government users. They also have business plans for Google Workspace and team onboarding. Some of the features available across tiers include Sane Later, Sane News, Sane Black Hole, Sane Screener, Sane CC, Reminders, Custom Snooze, Sane Not Spam, and advanced filters by subject or domain. Every plan works with all major email clients, so there's no lock-in. Things to know before using it. What I like most about SaneBox is that it feels invisible. You don't have to learn a new app or change your habits. It works quietly inside the inbox you already use and keeps getting smarter the longer you use it. The daily digest and reminders quickly became part of my routine, and the snooze and folders makes it easy to stay organized without feeling guilty about unread messages. There are a few things worth knowing. If you already have a complex folder setup, SaneBox may take a few days to fully adapt to your workflow. During the first week, it might filter an occasional email that you still want to see. So it's good to check your Sane Later folder regularly at the start. But once it learns your habits, it runs smoothly in the background. It's not perfect, but it's dependable and it consistently does what it promises. Final verdict. After using SaneBox for a couple of weeks, my inbox finally feels calm. Only the important stuff appears in front of me, and everything else waits in the background until I'm ready for it. I didn't realize how much mental energy I was wasting just deleting and sorting emails until I stopped. SaneBox doesn't magically fix bad habits, but it does remove the endless low priority emails that eat up time and focus. So, if your inbox always feels out of control, it's definitely worth testing for yourself. Use the link in the description to try it free for 14 days. No credit card needed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.